Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I'll be doing a video on the new Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit palettes, the needs and the wants. I was so happy and so excited to get these and to try them out, and it took me a while to get this video up because I got them on Tuesday. And then Wednesday I had to leave to go to our family reunion. So finally came home yesterday. It was over the Labor Day weekend and we had a great time with my family. It's always fun when we get together. So now we're all back home and I was really excited to try these palettes. I will show you how I came up with this look later in this video, but first let's talk about the palettes. Here they are right here. You've got the wants and the needs. Emily Noel 83, she is a big YouTuber here on YouTube, and she collaborated with Makeup Revolution to come up with these two palettes. I'm sure every one of y'all know who Emily Noel is. If not, I'll link her channel down below, and I'll also link the video that she did describing these palettes when they first came out. That way you'll get the better version of explaining these palettes. Of course, when we all saw that she was collaborating with them, we jumped on the chance to order these palettes. So I ordered mine on the Makeup Revolution on their website, and the price here for the wants, it's $20, and for the needs, it's $15. So very, very good price point on these. And it came pretty quick here from Makeup Revolution, and they were just sitting on my table waiting for me to use them, and I finally did, and I'm so excited that I did. I'm really liking this look. All right, first let's talk about the needs. Both of them, they do come in a really good, sturdy plastic lucite packaging. And you open it up, and again, this is the needs palette, and this is like her all-in-one palette. You've got things for your face and eyeshadows. Of course, you can also use these as eyeshadows, but pretty much you could just take this to go and you've got a look. You've got a whole face look. And I love the names that she did. I want to say in the Needs palette, these are, products that Makeup Revolution already had, but these were her favorites. And she compiled them in one palette for us, which is really nice. I didn't use the shadows in this look from this palette. I used it from the wants. But I did use the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, and the powder, these four in the larger pans. You could make very nice looks with these shadows right here. You've got your warm tones, 5 mattes and 1 shimmers right here. The one in the middle here is a metallic shimmery shade. And of course, Gratitude, the highlighter. That's also a metallic shimmery shade. And it comes with a nice mirror, which is really nice. And one of the best things from these palettes is the size of the names of the shadows. I know that's, very trivial, but for me, I can't see very well. I'm aging, so my eyes are aging with me, unfortunately, so I need my cheaters, but you can see the names of the shadows without having to put your glasses on. I know this doesn't seem like a big deal, but it's a big deal for me. It's like, boom, you can see them. And again, I use these 4 right here that are in the larger pans. Use the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, and I set it with kindness all over my face. So that's the Needs palette, and the Wants palette is an all eyeshadow palette. Again, it comes with a very sturdy case, so it's not flimsy at all. And you open it up, a huge mirror in this one. Huge, I can see everything. Yeah, unfortunately I can. All right, you have 24 shades here, and I'm going to swatch them for you later in the video after the tutorial. This one has your warm tones. You've got your lilacs and purples and burgundies and some greens and some darker browns. It's just a beautiful palette. And I forgot to mention this. You can probably see it in the video when I was doing my eyeshadows that there weren't any fallout. So there's hardly any kick up of the shadows that I used and no fallout at all on my face. All right, let me go ahead and zoom you in and I'll show you how I came up with this look, and I'll also show you swatches on my arm on my skin tone. So I'll see you after. All right, I've been waiting a week to play with these palettes, and let's get right to it. I didn't even open them up yet. It came right before we left again on vacation. It comes nicely packaged, which is great. All right, here they are right here. The Emily Edit, the Wants and the Needs. I should say that these are packaged very nice. Very protective. Okay, pulling it out. And again, another bubble wrap. All right. And here it is right here. Very nice and new and clean. Look at that. All right. Here they are right here. Oh my gosh. They are just so pretty. Now, which colors do I want to do first? Wow. You can really create a lot of looks with these colors here. You know what? I noticed that the writing, the names of the shadows are really nice and big for my eyes, which is really nice. Thanks, Emily, for that. All right, let me go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer, one of Emily's favorite. And then I am the one that sets my primer with powder, and I'm going to go in with the cream. I'm going to go in with this first shade right here to set it. All right, now let's go in with my Morphe B13, my favorite blending brush. Let's go in with Prayer, this one right here. Let's go in with Prayer. And let's put that in the crease and above the crease. All right, now let's go in with Midwest right here, the first one on the second row. Let's go in with that one. And I'm going to use this Morphe brush down here. I believe this is the R39. I'll list everything down below for you guys. But let's go in the Midwest. I believe that's where she's from. And also put that in the crease and slightly above. All right, now I'm going to go in with Dews Pades, the second one here on the second row, to also deepen the crease, the transition shade here. And I'm using the Wayne Goss brush. It's a little bit smaller so I can keep it just right in the crease. And then just blend that all out. Windshield wiper and those little swirlies. And I tell you, it's nice seeing all the looks that everyone's making with these palettes. Just so happy for her. She is really, truly a one-of-a-kind, sweet, sweet girl. I don't know her personally. I just know her from watching her on YouTube. And since I've been watching her, she hasn't changed at all, which is really nice. Just lovely, lovely, lovely young lady. You know what? Now I'm going to go in with Cheer, this one right here, this real pretty burgundy one right here. Yeah, so I'm putting it here, right here in the outer corner, and then just kind of dragging it in the crease, just about halfway done, and then whatever's left, just kind of bring it in. But concentrate the color right here in the outer corner. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is by Sigma, the E55 brush, and I really want to use this shade right here called Top Story. And Emily did say the best way to use the metallic shades is to kind of use the flat shader brush and just, what's the word that she used? Instead of packing it on, just kind of dragging it. So we'll try that. Oh, this is pretty. This has a little bit of gold in there here too. Oh, that's pretty. I'm putting this on my lid, and I think I'm just going to concentrate it right here on the inner part. I may put a darker color right here. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. And let me say that these are really pigmented. It's very nice, very nice. I wonder how many times I'm going to say very nice. You know what? I'm going to go in with Heartbeat right here, using the same flat shader brush, using the other side. And I'm going to put that one on my lid also, but on the outer part of it. I wonder how it would look if I use my finger. Let me just use my finger. Works good too. All right, now I'm going to darken it up a little bit, give me some dimension. And I think I may go in with Pi-Fi. I believe that's how the sorority is, the Pi-Fi. And I'm also using another Wayne Goss brush here. And I'm really going to concentrate this on the outer V of my outer corner eye. All right, I am liking this look. All right, now I'm going to do my eyebrows, my eyeliner, and put my foundation on and mascara, and we'll come back and we will use the Needs palette. So I'll be right back. All right, I did my brows and my eyes, my mascara, so now let's go in with the Needs palette. This is more of a face palette, kind of maybe an all-in-one palette. And again, it's packaged very nice. It's covered with plastics. Let me open that up. These are really well protected. If you order them online, I think you're good. All right, and again, another plastic covering. This is just a little sleeve, so you just pull that away. And here it is right here, the Needs palette. Oh, and look how pretty that is. Here's what that looks like without my fingers being in there. So the Needs palette is more of an all-in-one look. You have a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, I believe this is a setting powder and 6 shadows here to do, oops, the plastic covering came off, and 6 shadows here to do an eye look. So this one is a good travel companion right here. But since I already did my eyes with the Once palette, I'm going to use the face items in here. Now let's use the bronzer, which is Courage. And I love the names that she used. Courage, joy, gratitude, kindness. Again, it's really nice. I know we should probably play a game. How many times I said really nice. If my family was here, they'd probably say take a shot. But we won't do that. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Japonasque NARS knockoff bronzer. And let's go in with Courage. And let's use this to bronze me up. Okay, this is really nice for my skin tone. I was really worried that you wouldn't see it on my skin. But we'll play with it and see how it'll look, if it's not going to be too muddy on me or too light. Even though I just came back from the beach with my family, so I'm already looking a little bronzed up. Now let's try Joy, this blush right here, the blush. And I believe you can also use all of these as shadows. Okay, let's go in with Real Techniques. And it is a bigger brush than the size of this palette, so I'll just get it in there somehow. It's pretty. I guess I forgot to mention this, but underneath my eyes, I use Dues Paid, Cheer, and Pi-Fi. So those are the 3 shades that I put underneath my eyes in the lash line. All right, now let's go in with Gratitude with this highlighting shade right here. Oh, wow. Ooh, probably shouldn't go in a little heavy-handed. And let me put some on my brow bone here. Highlight that area. All right, now I'm going to go in with the powder brush, and I'm going to go in with Kindness. And I'm going to set my face. Set my face with kindness. I love the names. I absolutely love the names that she used. All right, now I'm going to do my hair, change my clothes, and put some lipstick on, and we will talk about the palettes. We already know I'm going to say it's very nice. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Did my hair. It looks a lot better. And put some lipstick on. I'll list everything down below for you guys, the things that you didn't see me use. But the lipstick I'm wearing is the Nude 2 lip liner from KKW Beauty. And the lipstick is by Charlotte Tilbury, the one that was in the Nordstrom anniversary sale exclusive in that box. Again, I'll list everything down below for you guys. But let's talk about these palettes. I am loving the eye look that I created with the Once palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys. And I'm going to swatch them row by row for the Needs palette. In the first row, you have the Cream, Hobby, Prayer, Grateful, Good Vibes, Side Hustle. Second row, Midwest, Dues Paid, Eve Rose, Belle Violet, Capricorn, Pi-Fi. Third row, Oh Heavens, Love Tons, Pizzazz, Family, Top Story, Apartment. And the bottom row, Cupcake, Laugh Cry, Cheer, Heartbeat, Corduroy, Dark and Early. I love the names that she picked for these shadows. I mean, it's totally her. It's all her. But I really love the names that she used here, especially in the Needs palette. Let me go ahead and swatch that for you. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and swatch the 4 that I used, the big pans, and then I'll swatch the eyeshadows. So first you have Courage, Joy, Gratitude, and Kindness. And the eyeshadows, Honesty, Passion, Peace, Faith, Hope, and Love. So yes, I am loving this look. Again, you can use this one here all in one. I didn't use the eyeshadows in here. I just used the face. But I'm sure you could create a lot of beautiful looks with these. And you can also create dozens of looks in this palette right here. And it does have a nice mirror. I mean, that is a huge mirror. And again, I love the names. And I also love the size of the names. I could see them without my glasses. You've got transition shades. You've got crease shades. You've got lid shades, metallics, shimmers, mattes. You've got them all here. So I'm really glad I got these palettes. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video of the new Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit palettes, the needs and the wants. If you haven't gotten these, I would suggest getting these palettes for the price and for the color payoff, and even just to support Emily. She is a wonderful YouTuber, a wonderful person. Again, I don't know her personally, but just seeing her on my iPad, yeah, I am happy to support her. And believe me, I'm not saying this just to, be part of the in crowd or whatnot. You can see right here the color payoff, the blendability, the shimmers, the metallics, and the shades. The proof is in the pudding, and I can see it right here, and I sure hope you can too. Alright, you guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.